Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of appearing above other applications. The method is very simple and does not require any programs. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video, my friend. It goes to the settings. Then it goes to the settings search engine and writes private access. Then it searches for appearing above applications, or appearing next to applications according to what is written for you. Then it clicks on it. Then it searches for the application in which you have the problem. Click on it. Then it activates this feature from here, or activates it on all applications. The choice remains yours. This was today's topic. I hope you liked it and benefited. Any problems, no suggestions, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.